Okay, in part 2, we want to create a background for it. Right click, from the new, select the solid, and then click OK. Type the gradient ramp in the effect and process section. Insert this effect into the solid. Change the ramp shape to radial ramp. We also lower the start of ramp to the middle of the composition, which is actually behind the logo. Turn the black color of a start color into the red color of the logo, and also the white color of end color to the blue color of the logo. Now we change the end of ramp position to get the gradient mode better. We make the gradient a little bigger to have a background in such a way that is very beautiful. Okay, open the logo comp. We see in the logo layer, all the layers are here. Motion the layer we want one by one. Arrange them first. The first thing we want to motion is this layer. Rename its name and call it gun. Click this button to specify only this layer in the image. Select layer and press T to show the opacity. This layer ranges from 0 opacity to 100 opacity. Insert the keyframe. Enter the first keyframe 0 and the second keyframe 100. Next, we want to give this image a motion that is shooting. To do this, we use Puppet Position Paint tool. Using this tool, we select several points that actually become the moving joint of this image. Then we insert the position keyframe for those points. Select layer and press U to show the keyframe. Here, the keyframe is inserted to position all the specified points. Move it a little further. Now, move the created points. The keyframe is automatically inserted for them. Slightly move the tip of the gun to the left. Move the back slightly back and the middle in this way. It is now transforming from the original state to the state we set. To return to its original state, select the keyframes that originally existed, copy and paste them on the front to return to its original state. We play to see how it goes. Move the keyframes a bit to make this move faster. If you think there may be another move, we move those points again and we insert new keyframes for it so that the movement happens in the best and most real way. And the animation does not have a fake and unnatural movement. Well, in the following, it seems interesting that when with such an animation of the gun in the picture, we make a shoot for it.